Rockwell Automation is unlocking new possibilities with Microsoft Azure. Through integration with NVIDIA Omniverse on Microsoft Azure, manufacturers can create detailed, realistic simulations of their factory environments. This allows them to design, test, and validate processes before committing to physical construction.
Emulate 3D has been used for many years to simulate manufacturing lines, and then, when designs are optimized, to connect automation controllers to the same model to test control code. With Emulate 3D 2025, manufacturers can now get a fully integrated end-to-end twin of their entire plant and visualize it combined with the building design in NVIDIA Omniverse. Companies are eliminating costly delays, reducing risk, and accelerating deployment. Instead of discovering design flaws during construction or commissioning, teams can optimize everything in the virtual world, ensuring real-world builds are faster, more efficient, and more accurate.
Emulate 3D on Microsoft Azure. Manufacturing moves from reactive to proactive. Click the link to learn more.